How to change the center bolt O-ring. That is all dry rotted right up under here and it leaks. Open. Oh, look at there. That one came out on its own. Crispy. This is why it leaks. This is why it's important to change them. New O-ring on the bolt. Take your little screwdriver, drop it on the floor. Clean the crap out of the groove. Remove the crap with a cloth. Find where you dropped your bolt. Such is life. Put the bolt back in hole with new O-ring. Tab goes towards the pin. For some reason. Spring goes under that though. Rounded part of the nut goes out towards the engine. Hold your spring pressure down, start your nut. Let your bar come up. Screw your screw in. So you can see your hole for your roll pin again. And if you didn't break your roll pin, and this is still in good shape, go ahead and put that sucker back in. That's all there is to it. If you wonder where to get this fancy little hammerless punch, it's sold in pack of 2 at Sherwin-Williams for $20. Hope this was informative.